Hello everybody, and welcome to Memphis, Tennessee on this March the 7th, this beautiful pre-spring day. It's about 3 weeks till spring, and this is going to be an update on the lamb's ears, and here we go. So lots of people ask when to cut back the lamb's ears. Well, I just cut these back about 3 weeks ago, and look at them, already nice and fluffy and soft. I cut them all the way back to the ground every year and throughout the year sometimes, whenever I feel like it, because these are very hardy plants. They grow fast when spring comes and summer comes. But anyway, if you cut them back in the late winter, they'll be all right because they are hardy. Beautiful, great sharing plants. You'll have some nice flowers come up pretty soon, but it doesn't hurt to cut them back anytime, because I'm not sure you could kill them. We've talked about the battle of the mint and the lamb's ears. There's one right there, a mint. We had this battle last year going on, and Anita from Australia said it was going to be a tough battle, which it is. Look at them right there. Anyway, I try to cut back the mint because I think it would win. The lamb's ears are tough, but the mint seems to be a little tougher. Smells good. This is a small garden on my side of the house where I couldn't grow anything before. It was all shade. And there it is. Hopefully we'll get some more stuff growing over here pretty soon. But anyway, that's a small garden with free sharing plants. Share your plants with others so they can enjoy them. All right, just a quick update, and bye.